Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to quickly save CapCut templates. So I've already on the template tabs on CapCut, and in here you just need to find the templates that you want to save. For example, I want to save this mini vlog templates, and to save this template you can just click on the three dots. I can add the video here, and then here you'll find there is an option to save video. Just click on that and the video will be automatically saved to your gallery. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Thank you.